Welcome to our deep dive into the future of medicine. In this video, we're embarking on a fascinating exploration of 11 clinical trials that are set to revolutionize healthcare in 2024. These trials span a variety of fields, from genetics to artificial intelligence, and each one holds the promise of unprecedented medical breakthroughs. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey as we delve into the pioneering research and innovation that will shape the future of medicine. Let's start our journey into the future of medicine. First, we highlight the Heart-1 trial, tackling hypercholesterolemia. Hypercholesterolemia, a condition characterized by very high levels of cholesterol in the blood, is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Traditional treatments have included lifestyle changes and medications, but what if we could address the problem at its genetic roots? That's where the Heart-1 trial comes in, investigating the power of base editing. Unlike traditional gene editing, which cuts the DNA strand to insert a new sequence, base editing is more like a find and replace function. It directly converts one DNA base into another without breaking the DNA strand. This trial targets the PCSK9 gene, mutations of which have been linked to high cholesterol. By editing this gene, the Heart-1 trial aims to lower cholesterol levels from within the body's own genetic code. This trial could be a game changer for patients with hypercholesterolemia. Next, we delve into an AI-based approach for early lung cancer diagnosis. Lung cancer, a leading cause of death worldwide, is often diagnosed too late for effective treatment. However, a promising clinical trial is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to change this narrative. By applying AI to analyze chest X-rays, the trial is exploring ways to detect lung cancer at its earliest stages, when it's most treatable. Imagine getting a lung cancer diagnosis in half the time it currently takes. This could mean more timely treatment, potentially saving countless lives. The AI doesn't replace doctors, but rather, it aids them in making quicker, more accurate diagnoses. This trial represents a significant stride in the medical field, and if successful, it could revolutionize the way we diagnose lung cancer. This could potentially halve the time to diagnosis. Another remarkable trial is the study of VR-1388, an innovative vaccine against HIV. This isn't your typical vaccine. It's designed to stimulate the immune system to produce T cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in fighting infections. These specially trained T cells could identify and destroy HIV-infected cells, effectively controlling the virus's spread within the body. The VR-1388 trial is a beacon of hope in the fight against HIV, a virus that has claimed millions of lives worldwide. It's a new approach, one that could transform the landscape of HIV prevention and treatment. Imagine a world where HIV could be controlled, not just treated. That's the promise of this trial. Realizing this potential is no small feat. It requires rigorous testing, careful analysis, and unwavering commitment from researchers. But the potential rewards are enormous. A successful result could reshape our approach to HIV prevention. Switching gears to mental health, we explore a trial on app therapy for perinatal depression. This trial stands at the intersection of technology and mental health, providing a glimpse into the future of psychological care. Perinatal depression affects up to 20% of women, often going undiagnosed and untreated. However, digital interventions are stepping in to bridge this gap. The trial in focus utilizes a specialized app designed to deliver cognitive behavioral therapy directly to the user's smartphone. This approach could revolutionize the delivery of mental health services, making therapy accessible right from the comfort of one's home. The app's design also ensures privacy, a critical factor for those hesitant to seek help due to societal stigma. The potential benefits of this trial extend beyond perinatal depression, suggesting a future where mental health care is universally accessible, irrespective of location or personal circumstances. This trial could pave the way for more accessible mental health services. Highlighting neurology, the STEM-PD trial focuses on using stem cells for treating Parkinson's disease. This groundbreaking trial is the first of its kind to use human embryonic stem cells in a clinical context. Researchers are investigating the potential of these cells to replace damaged neurons in the brain, a key factor in the progression of Parkinson's. These embryonic stem cells are transformed into dopamine-producing cells in the lab before being transplanted into patients. By replenishing the brain's supply of dopamine, the treatment could potentially halt or even reverse the symptoms of Parkinson's, a disease that currently has no cure. This innovative approach has the potential to change the lives of millions of individuals living with Parkinson's worldwide. As the trial progresses, we eagerly await its results and what it could mean for the future of neurology. This trial could be a major step forward in the treatment of Parkinson's disease. Then, we have the Risk Index trial, using machine learning for patient triage in emergency departments. This innovative trial is leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to predict patient outcomes with an unprecedented level of accuracy. The Risk Index trial uses a wealth of data, including patient demographics, medical history, and presenting symptoms, to feed its machine learning model. The model then uses this data to make predictions about the patient's condition, including the likelihood of deterioration and the optimal course of treatment. The potential benefits of this approach are immense. Not only could this lead to more accurate and efficient triage, but it could also free up valuable time for medical professionals, allowing them to focus on providing care. The Risk Index trial is a fascinating example of how technology could transform healthcare, bringing us closer to a future where machine learning assists in our medical decision-making. This could revolutionize patient triage in emergency departments. In cancer treatment, the NADINA trial is testing immunotherapy for melanoma. This groundbreaking study is exploring a novel approach by comparing the efficacy of neoadjuvant therapy to the standard adjuvant therapy. To break it down, neoadjuvant therapy is given as a first step to shrink the size of the tumor, while adjuvant therapy is given after the primary treatment to kill any remaining cancer cells. The objective is to determine if starting immunotherapy earlier in the treatment process can result in better outcomes. With melanoma being the most dangerous form of skin cancer, the stakes are high. The NADINA trial is an exciting development, as it could potentially improve survival rates and quality of life for melanoma patients. If successful, this could redefine the standard of care in melanoma treatment. The results of this trial could change the way we treat melanoma. For infectious diseases, the R21/Matrix-M vaccine trial against malaria in African children is pivotal. This innovative vaccine, currently under trial, aims to provide a long-term solution to this widespread malady. The vaccine has been developed by combining the R21 antigen with Matrix-M adjuvant, and it's showing promising results. The potential impact of this vaccine is monumental. Malaria, the mosquito-borne disease, has been a persistent threat, particularly in African regions. The R21 vaccine could provide an effective shield against this disease, offering hope to countless individuals. The trial is keenly observed by medical professionals worldwide. A successful outcome could set a new standard in malaria prevention, offering a glimmer of hope in our battle against infectious diseases. It could be a game changer, transforming the lives of millions affected by malaria each year. A successful trial could mean a world of difference for regions plagued by malaria. Moving to breast cancer, the DESTINY-Breast12 study assesses the efficacy of trastuzumab deruxtecan in treating brain metastasis in HER2-positive patients. This groundbreaking trial is focused on a type of breast cancer that has spread to the brain, a condition known as brain metastasis. The study revolves around a drug called trastuzumab deruxtecan, an antibody-drug conjugate, or ADC. This drug is designed to directly target cancer cells and deliver a potent chemotherapy agent, aiming to destroy the cancer while sparing healthy cells. In the context of the DESTINY-Breast12 trial, researchers are particularly interested in the potential of trastuzumab deruxtecan to penetrate the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that often prevents drugs from reaching brain tumors. The results of this trial could have profound implications for HER2-positive breast cancer patients who are battling brain metastasis. It's an exciting area of research, one that could bring new hope for patients with brain metastasis from breast cancer. Lastly, we look at the New Orleans intervention model for infant mental health. This groundbreaking trial is designed to enhance the mental well-being of our youngest population, infants. By focusing on the early and crucial stages of development, This model aims to provide a robust support system for vulnerable infants. This timely intervention could prevent later mental health issues and set the stage for healthier, happier lives. This trial could significantly improve mental health support for infants in need. These trials represent the cutting edge of medical science. They are more than just studies. They are the stepping stones to a future where diseases are detected early, treatments are personalized, and healthcare is accessible to all. They are paving the way towards a healthier, brighter tomorrow. Stay tuned for more updates on these pioneering trials, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future-focused health content.